schedule at work, and unfortunately I'm a painter and my spray booth is outside, so whenever it rains, dude, it makes it really hard to freaking paint. But anyhow, fuck, man, holy crap, it's not very often that I drive around like Monday through Friday during these hours in the more, I think it's like fucking 10:30 or something right now. And like for years, bro, at this time of day, Monday through Friday, I'm at work, man. You know what I'm saying? Like, I don't experience the roads and everything at these times. And holy shit, is there a lot of cops, bro. There's cops everywhere, man, everywhere I look. Any of you guys remember Rice Array? I mean, y'all gotta remember Rice Array, right? Had lotioning up or what? Yeah. You get rid of all the ash? Fuck. Hell yeah, you gotta keep it nice and smooth, right? Yeah. I'd like to love you. I'm actually on my way to his house because something happened to his truck. Something broke. I'm gonna go help him. I'm gonna go help him fix it. He needs a grinder. Who knows, dude? I don't know what it is we're fixing with a grinder, but something's got to be fixed with a grinder. I don't know if the GoPro caught it, but I was getting off the freeway back there and I hear somebody honking like crazy. I look over, it's fucking Shiloh hanging out the window of his fucking Suburban. Alright, so Ray broke his truck. He broke this thingamajig because, I don't know, it was all rusted out. And this is the leaf spring shackle. And the one that's on his truck's all rusted out, fucked. So, yeah, that needs to be replaced because he's got a fucking mean squat going on. I can't believe he drove it like this. So the reason why I'll never be racing Ray's 350Z with the Civic and smashing on his ass, giving him that gap, because he got rid of it for this damn rusty old truck.
I'll still racing.
Yeah. In what? The truck?
It's gotta be on dirt.
Please, tell him dirt. He says he'll race me in the truck, but on dirt. Why is this thing so loud, dude?
Cats are gutted.
You gutted the cats? Drill holes in your exhaust?
The Mexican way.
The Mexican way. Stop being racist, bro. Look at this guy, he wants to be just like me. Calm down, Ricer.
Let me help you.
That side. Ready? Yeah. Jesus Lord.
That thing is no fucking joke.
So, dude, What's that? You getting rained on or what? Damn, bro. Yeah. That shit is rusted to hell. What do you gotta cut out? That bowl on the top or the one on the bottom here?
Cut this out to get this out. This is seized in there.
That's a real cute little pipe you got there, buddy.
This is probably as big as mine. My pipe, you know.
Is this your work or what? What is this, man?
No. That's an exhaust shot.
Oh. You should have kept the 350. Huh?
350?
$350, yes. That's how much I'll pay you for this.
Oh shit.
Oh man.
That's wrong.
No, that's not a bad truck. At least it's a Chevy. If it was a Ford, I'd call you a fucking idiot.
Never buy a Ford.
Never ever.
Never ever.
Never ever. Especially no damn Mustang. Alright, brand new day, and I'm just getting off work. I didn't have enough time yesterday to go pick up vinyl for stickers, so that's what I'm doing right freaking now, bro. Gotta go get, yeah, because you guys sold me out, dude. I gotta get caught up and, yeah, I gotta get some vinyl for making the new sticker that I still haven't designed, but I'm gonna be doing that tonight. But alright, I'm getting ready to pull up, so I'm gonna get in here and buy some vinyl.
Stop. Heavy rain, top here. What just put on the rain and night light, so loud and clear. What just felt your
Dude, the one thing that I really like about this house that I'm gonna miss, I mean, hopefully I can kind of find this same setup, but dude, this is my desk right here. Like, this is where I do all my editing. This is where I make my stickers. The garage is right freaking there, dude. Like, this is my spot, bro. You know what I mean? I'm sure we'll find something. That's one thing, like, because I've been looking at houses and stuff, just kind of window shopping at the moment. I've been checking out stuff that has like maybe a little bit of a bigger garage. It's kind of hard to find unless you get into like an actual 3-car garage, which then I know those houses are probably going to be out of my price range. I won't be able to afford a house with a 3-car garage, but it'd be nice to find a house with a 2-car garage that has like the RV gate set up that's like right next to it, so I can kind of extend my work area. I don't know. I'm definitely keeping an eye out for something that's very like car guy oriented, you know what I'm saying? So that'd be really cool, man. My cutter's making a weird noise right now. Wouldn't that be some shit for that thing to freaking take a crap right now, dude? Knock on wood. Alright, ran to Walmart, grabbed a box of envelopes, because, of course, I was completely out. Come on. Fucking light. Surprisingly, dude, get this, a box of 40 envelopes is $5. A box of 250 is $10. Because 40 envelopes wasn't enough, so I was gonna get 2, but then that would have been 80 for 10 or 250 for 10. I feel like that was a pretty simple decision. But anyhow, guys, I have all the stickers pretty much cut. I just wanted to get caught up on the orders that we have right now. And now I'm gonna get in there and start on designing this new sticker. Whatever, I'm not sure. I have kind of an idea of what I want to do. So I think it's gonna be cool, dude. I think it's gonna be cool. But still, if you guys want to share some ideas, you can still do that. Go ahead and hit me up on Facebook or whatever. But dude, you guys are killing it on the sticker orders already. You're already killing it, and I haven't even made the new sticker yet. So I most certainly appreciate it. You guys are keeping me busy, you know, and I enjoy this. Thank you guys for understanding. I want to work for it. You know what I mean? So peace out, guys, and let me know if you like these little update videos. I don't know. I'll stop doing them if they're annoying. Peace.